who's back again. It's me. It's me. Yeah, no, not that exciting. Those of you who are new and all of you guys who came from Tacoma World, thank you. It's nice to have some new subscribers and see some new faces around here, right? Glad to see it's not only my family watching and my family's friends. Now headed to Santa Barbara and I keep working my way up, and then eventually headed towards inland up the coast. Ooh, got some hot tea, fresh tea, just made it at the beach. It's gonna be piping hot. It's too hot. It's too hot. Yeah, these things are sweet. I don't know, it's like an Igloo or a Yeti. They're sweet, but don't make tea out of them because your tea stays piping hot for so long. So you kind of have to wait like 3 hours to drink it. I guess you could say you build up like stamina, and you're really excited for that tea. But most of the time, by the time you drink the tea, it's ice cold, and it's just kind of like you chug it like a shot if you're trying to keep that body tempo. Anywho, I'm just gonna keep making my way up the coast, chugging along. And once I get a little further up north, then I'm gonna cut inland, head to some national parks, and kind of go off the grid again and go explore some wilderness. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little. As I was talking to all the ladies and saying hi, I drove down a one-way street and some good old firefighters were coming at me. I didn't think it was a one-way, but they waved me back, so I just did like an 8-point turn in front of everyone. But I guess that's bound to happen, right? I give them a nice little wave and I'm carrying on my way. A 1,000 steps, eh? For the sake of science, we must count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just getting started. 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 998, 989, 1,000. These things are the worst. They're so awkward. Remember, Reed, you're trying to get famous. This is how you're gonna make it to the big leagues, okay? Okay, all right, I'm in. If this video doesn't blow up though, I'm out, but I'm in. Anyways, really good to be back, guys. Just a really quick update for you guys. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm excited about going up the coast. I'm making my way up towards Monterey and then eventually Big Sur. My toe is doing okay. Thank you for asking. Such a dry sandwich. I'm making my way up the coast. I'm having a good time. I'm gonna keep chugging along.